Okay, let's look at the last example here. A hollow aluminium cylinder 20 centimeter deep has an internal capacity of 2 liter at 20 degrees Celsius. It is completely filled with unknown liquid and then warmed to 80 degrees Celsius. How much liquid overflow? Given the alpha of aluminium and the gamma for the liquid. Okay, so here we are given a cylinder here. So this cylinder is completely filled with unknown liquid. So maksudnya dia penuh lah. And then the cylinder has internal capacity of 2 liter. So cylinder ni volume dia adalah 2 liter. And then since liquid ni dia memenuhi the cylinder, meaning that here this liquid has the same volume as the aluminium. So maksudnya the initial volume here is 2 liter. And then what happened is the container, the aluminium, is heated to 80 degrees Celsius. So dia dipanaskan kepada 80 degrees Celsius. And then what happened, because the liquid and the aluminium will expand, so it causes the overflow of the liquid. So there's an overflow here. This overflow is what we want to find out. What is the volume for the overflow? Okay, so now since we learned that when we heated a container with liquid inside, both container and the liquid will expand. So solid dan liquid ni akan expand. Kedua-duanya akan expand. Okay. But we know that the expansion of the liquid is faster compared to the solid. Maksudnya liquid ni dia akan expand lebih cepat berbanding solid. So here, if we want to find the volume for the overflow, we need to find the change in volume for the liquid, minus the change in volume for the aluminium. Okay, for this cylinder. Okay, so now we need to each find this one first, di mana delta V adalah sama dengan, okay, let's see the formula here. Delta V, this one, sama dengan gamma times with initial volume times with delta T. Okay, so sama dengan gamma times with initial volume times with delta T. Di mana delta T here adalah, so delta T is final minus initial. This one is initial, this one is final. So final minus initial will be 60 degrees Celsius. And then initial volume of the container and of the liquid, we need to convert it in terms of meter cubic. Okay, kita kena convert kepada meter cubic because we are given in terms of liter. So you need to remember this one conversion. 1 liter adalah sama dengan exponent negative 3 meter cubic. Sorry, this one should be meter cubic. So dekat sini sudah di convertkan. So you just masukkan this one lah. Okay, so masukkanlah here. So kita cari untuk liquid dahulu. For liquid, di mana liquid adalah gamma dia 9 exponent negative 4, initial volume, and then delta T 60 degrees Celsius. So delta V for the liquid is equal to 1.08 exponent negative 4 meter cubic. And then for the aluminium, so gunakan formula yang sama. Delta V adalah sama dengan gamma, bukan mega, gamma V naught delta T. Okay, so untuk aluminium, we are given alpha here. So we need to find the gamma for the aluminium. How do we find this? So ingat lagi, the relationship of the gamma is equal to 3 alpha. So alpha tadi dapat berapa? 2.4 eksponen negatif 5. So the gamma for the aluminium adalah sama dengan 7.2 eksponen negatif 5 per degree Celsius. So this one you just masukkan. And then initial one is the same. Temperature also the same. So it will be equal to at 0.64 eksponen negatif 6 meter cubic. Okay, so now kita sudah ada the change in volume for aluminium and for liquid. So we can find the volume of the overflow liquid. So V overflow is equal to delta VL minus delta VA. So delta VL 1.08 eksponen negatif 4 tolak 8.64 eksponen negatif 6. It will be equal to 9.94 eksponen negatif 5 meter cubic.